Cimarecs feature a large digital display that is both easy to read and precise. The temperature settings are adjustable in 5-degree increments from 5 degrees up to 540 degrees C, depending on the model. Temperature settings are constant, repeatable, and accurate due to an optimized microprocessor-controlled feedback loop. As you can see here, once the surface gets above 50 degrees C, which it is now, and you turn the unit off, the hot top warning system will flash off and hot repeatedly, warning others in the lab that the unit is off, but the surface is still too hot to touch. This warning system. Now on the stirring side, we've developed a technology called StirTrack. StirTrack technology uses a powerful rare earth magnet mounted on a high torque motor, which allows for very slow stirring when customers require very gentle mixing, and it also prevents the stir bar from decoupling at high speeds. In competitive models, stir bars will often decouple at about 300 RPMs, and it gets slung around inside the vessel. But with StirTrack, as you can see, we can go to full speed, 1200 RPMs, without the stir bar being sucked up into the vortex and slung around inside the vessel. In fact, we have such good control of the stir bar, we can go from 1200 RPMs to 0 in about a second. Engineering and value. As you can see in this 7x7 sized model, the Cimarecs have a low profile design, allowing the unit to fit better in confined workspaces like warm rooms and fume hoods. Here you can see that we've pulled the electronics away from the heating element up to the front to prevent metal fatigue, which can result from continuous cycles of heating and cooling, which will cause premature electronics failure. The cast aluminum housing has been primed and electrostatically painted to help promote resistance to chemicals, rust, and corrosion. The digital display has a Marnot polyester overlay, which has a proprietary UV hard coat, making it solvent and scratch resistant. We use a Neoceram ceramic surface, which has a very low thermal expansion coefficient. I told you we have a lot of engineering in this unit. We even use rubber knobs, which are practically indestructible. Just the thing schools are looking for in student teaching labs. And lastly, one other design element. There's an integrated drain trough built right into the casting. When liquids are spilled, they'll flow off the front of the Cimarec and then drain away from the electronics onto the bench. In fact, for the Cimarec unit to receive the CE mark, James Darren, thank you for joining me.